Hey there. So I'm about to make some shrimp tacos for my kids. And I am going to try to incorporate things that I already have at home. So let's see. So I have this rice here. This is leftover rice. So it was in the refrigerator, so you know it's all caked up. But once that warms and we smush it all together, that'll be good. I have my virgin olive oil. I'm gonna just put a little bit of that in my little pan. This is just a little bit of green onions and bell pepper mix. You can put as much as you want in there, but I know what my family likes to eat. We'll eat the green onions some, but a lot of times we just throw the bell peppers away. We just cook. We use it for flavor, basically. So if you want to put onions, yellow bell peppers, red bell peppers, whatever you want to put in it, it's all up to you. Use this original taco. I like McCormick, but like I said, we're using what we have at home. So this is what I have right now. Taco Bell original seasoning mix. So we're about to use that. I have a pound of shrimp. So to make my shrimp stretch, what I do is, so it's peeled, deveined, and the larger ones, I cut them in 3 pieces, and the smaller ones, I cut them in 2. I mean, if we're putting it on a wrap, you don't need like big old slices of big old pieces of shrimp and stuff, so that's good. I'm going to use the garden spinach herb wrap. This is my salad, so this is a way to get your kids to eat salad as well. You put it in a wrap. For some reason, they just love the dough. And we got the little cheese. For those that want the little salsa, we have salsa. This right here, look at here. This is Walkerwood's Hot Jamaican Scotch Bonnet Pepper Sauce. Please, if you have never had this sauce before, do not put a lot because your mouth will be on fire. You see dude right there with his mouth on fire? Yeah, that'll be you. Don't get grossed out by it, but this Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch yogurt dressing, it's in your refrigerated area. I try not to do the one that's on the shelves. I do the one in the refrigerator because it's less preservatives. And then this is your yogurt. So you see all the little garlic and all that stuff, onions and stuff in there too. All you people that don't need gluten, this is gluten-free. Hey. All right, so we got this little seasoning in there with the olive oil. And as you can see, it's just a little bit because, I mean, we don't want all of that. I just needed the flavor. And I like to have a little bit of juice in it. So this olive oil is going to be my little juice with that shrimp because I don't like stuff dry. So I'm just gonna start putting my shrimp in there. Yes. It smells so good. I wish y'all could smell it. And that's the purpose of the green onions and the peppers. It just gives it a smell and it's just like, just want to eat it just like that. So here go my taco sauce seasoning. That's not the McCormick, but that's okay. And just sprinkle it on there. I'm not going to put the whole thing because I don't want it to be too salty. So just going to stir that around and let it blend in. And I'm going to just add according to the taste. You let that saute. So you don't want to cook your shrimp for too long because if you've ever eaten shrimp and it's been like a little hard or rubbery, well, either it's cheap shrimp or you just overcooked it. And so the shrimp that I get are wildly caught shrimp. I don't do the farm raised stuff. I don't want anything that was raised on the farm. Just give me my stuff fresh out the sea. That's how I want it. So this one is Argentina, wild caught in Argentina. And I cook it all the time and it's really good. It tastes so good. But look at that. It's looking good already. Almost like looking like a Chinese dish. I don't know. So it's done. Just about I don't know, 5 minutes max. You may not even need that much, but let's look at our rice. Rice is looking a little better. It's little butter parts. Okay, so now we are down to our tortilla. So I just got a glass dish. I'm just put 2 because I'm just make 2 for now. And I'm gonna just cover it with another glass dish, and I'm gonna pop it in the microwave for about 15 seconds. And when I take it out, it's gonna be nice and soft. Just eat it just like that. All right, so now my tortilla is nice and soft and ready for filling. So let's go and fill it. I'm not a big rice eater, but for the sake of this, I'm gonna go ahead and put some on there just so you can see it. Grab a few pieces of shrimp. This is what I like to go a little heavier on the salad. There's the cheese. So I'm going to be real ambitious, and I'm going to put this salsa. I'm going to put a little bit of yogurt. And I'm going to get the fireman on there. I'm just putting a little bit because trust me, I've had this before. And my mouth was like, whoo! So let's put these sides together and wrap this bad boy. Now look at that. You would think I took my family to Moe's or some Mexican restaurant somewhere. But I'm about to bite into this thing. My mouth is watering just looking at it. So I'm going to bite into it. Let's go. Dang it, slap your mama good, okay? That's my baby back there. This is good. Mommy, that's why I'm plump right now. I be cooking this type of stuff. That pepper hitting my throat. I'm giving me something to drink. I'll see y'all later. Subscribe to my channel. Me and my family got a whole lot more to come. Smooches.